happens every day on Sprout.
Wow, how wiggly wonderful was that?
We can't wait for another visit with our friends and with all of you on Sprout's Wiggly Waffle.
Weekday mornings from 6 to 9 o'clock right here on Sprout and always at sproutonline.com.
Beauty, mate.
Mix it up this April Fool's Day with Sprout's Scrambled April Fun Day. All your favorite Sprout friends will be here, but at different times. Rise and shine with the Sprout Sharing Show. Get the morning moving with the Good Night Show.
In the morning?
Wind down with the Sunny Side Up Show with special guests Nina and Star.
Hi, Sproutlets!
And have breakfast at bedtime with Sprout's Wiggly Waffle.
Do you like your eggs scrambled?
Sprout's Scrambled April Fun Day is next Friday on Sprout. Find the complete schedule at sproutonline.com.
Sesame Street is next here on
Sprout!